on a dog walk now. Another nice day. It's pretty busy. This forest used to never be this busy when we first started coming here a few years ago. And now it's so busy. There's another green lake. There's just so many around. Here's Ross. Ozzy. Oh, there's ducks. Ozzy sees ducks. He wants to get them. I don't think you can get them, Oz. It's such a big forest as well. You can go for a walk for literally miles. And in the summer, usually people go and sit by the river. They bring their camping chairs. Some people bring electric barbecues and have their setups. It literally feels like you're in a mountain somewhere in a forest, but really you're just a few minutes away from downtown Calgary. So nice. Oh, that's what the beavers, I think, build. All them sticks. I think they bring them together.
Yeah, maybe. He's only stopping 9 to go in.
Ozzy's scaring all the ducks.
Hi.
Happy Monday, everyone. Today is May 9th and we just woke up to all of this snow. I really thought, when did it snow? April 19th, I think, the last time. So I really thought that was going to be our last snowstorm before the summer starts, but apparently not. We got so much snow. It only started snowing yesterday, I think around 10 in the evening, and this is how much snow we got. It rained before the snow, so that's why all of the pathways are cleared. The snow couldn't stick to them. But yeah, this is what we are working with this morning. Dogs are so confused. I am confused because it's meant to be 17 degrees on Thursday or Wednesday. So this snow just kind of came for no reason. I wonder if it's going to be the last one actually. I would imagine it's May. I would want to hope. But happy Monday. It still looks very pretty. I guess we just gotta make the most out of the situation. Just heading into downtown now. I have my coffee made. We'll see how much snow there is in downtown. Usually inner city, like suburbs, get more, and then downtown is not too bad. Even the roads for driving are not too bad right now, but I'll keep you updated. This is the current situation in Calgary. So I just made it into downtown, and as you can see, it's not bad at all here. You can actually see the grass, the trees. It looks like spring. Yeah, definitely not as bad out in downtown. But yeah, I'll keep you updated once I go back to the inner city side again. I'm sure it's gonna melt. The sun is coming out, so I'm sure the snow will melt, but it's just so funny how it just snowed so much out of nowhere. It's definitely snowing more in downtown, but it's not sticking. And I'm kind of the side of downtown. So I'm back home from downtown, and as you can see, winter is done. The snow is almost all gone. There's little patches here and on some roofs, but it's almost all gone. Like the difference between that crazy snowstorm this morning and now is crazy. All the snow is melted, sun is out, so hopefully that was the last snowstorm. But we did need that moisture for the grass. The grass is way greener than it was a few days ago. Yep, so this is what it looks like. Crazy weather changes in Calgary.